For today's tutorial, today I'm going to demonstrate how you can join Meet without installing the Meet from the Google Play Store. To join the Meet, you have to open your Gmail account. By default, the Gmail account shows you the Meet icon in the right bottom corner, and you can see the Meet. Now click on the Meet. Then this Meet will require a joining code. The joining code will be provided by the host. My current joining code is XUC. The joining code may have a dash sign. You may or may not apply the dash sign. It's okay. If you apply the dash sign, it is okay. If you do not apply the dash sign, it is also okay. Okay, this is the joining code. Now click on join. This will show you the camera. If you want to open the camera, you have to check on the camera and click on allow so that the camera is opened. And if you want to unmute yourself, you have to also click on the microphone and select the allow option. Now you are ready to join. Click on the join. The request has been sent to the host, and if the host admits you, you will be joining in the meeting. The host has been admitted you, and you can see that you have joined the meeting. In this way, you can easily join Google Meet without installing any app. That's all. Thanks to all for watching.